Tornado watch for the state of Virginia. The following message is transmitted at the request of No Weather Radio. Reports of high winds of 180 degrees from Richmond are inbound towards the state. If you live in or around Virginia, get to a shelter now, board up all windows, turn off all electricity, go to lowest floor of your shelter, get food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter. Please stay tuned to No Weather Radio for the latest weather updates. The emergency alert system has been activated. Tornado warning for the state of Virginia. The following message is transmitted at the request of No Weather Radio. A tornado has been spotted heading from Richmond and is heading towards the rest of the state of Virginia. Remain in your shelters, get on your knees, and cover your head. Do not go outside for any reason. If you have a life-threatening emergency, call 911 immediately. Please stay tuned to this station for any and all further updates on this current situation. Hurricane warning for the state of Virginia. The following message is transmitted at the request of No Weather Radio. The tornado from before has grown twice the average size than it was earlier. It is speculated that this hurricane will hit the rest of the eastern United States. Once this is over, the National Guard and Coast Guard will evacuate everyone to the western United States if this hurricane doesn't expand there. We will continue to update everyone in the eastern United States until further notice. Please stay tuned to this station for any and all updates on the situation. The emergency alert system has been activated. flood warning for the entire east coast of the United States. The following message is transmitted at the request of NOAA Weather Radio. A tornado that started in the state of Virginia has turned into a hurricane. This hurricane started to cause flooding in the following other states: Maryland, North and South Carolina, Delaware, New Jersey, and parts of New York. It is speculated that this flood will grow bigger as time goes by. Make sure you board up all windows, turn off all electricity, grab all food, drinks including water, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio. It is unsure when this hurricane will dissipate. We will continue to serve the eastern United States until further notice. Please stay tuned to this station for any and all further updates. Administrative message for the entire eastern United States. The following message is transmitted at the request of NOAA Weather Radio. The hurricane from 2 days ago has ended. However, it is still not safe to go outside. There were about 1.2 million deaths reported, and about 5.8 homes destroyed. The National Guard and United States Coast Guard will be deployed to evacuate the entire eastern United States to the west until these homes have been restored. This might take around at least 2 years to rebuild. Until then, get comfortable. Once everything is rebuilt, you will be brought back to your homes. Thank you for your cooperation during this emergency. We will now be going off the air. The emergency alert system has been deactivated.